There's a fungus that turns insects into zombies' nature, somehow made actual zombie horror real. There's a fungus called Ophiocordyceps. Its target? Mostly ants. Its method? Nightmare fuel. First, fungal spores land on an ant and infect its body. The fungus starts growing internally, feeding on the insect while keeping it alive. Not killing it. Not yet. Then things get disturbing. The fungus begins altering the ant's behavior. Instead of following its normal colony routines, the infected ant suddenly abandons the group and starts climbing upward, often onto leaves or branches. Why? Because the fungus is controlling it. At a specific height with ideal humidity and temperature, the ant is forced to bite down on vegetation in what scientists call a death grip. Then it dies, still attached, still hanging there, and only then does the fungus continue its final stage. A long stalk erupts from the ant's body, sometimes directly from the head. This stalk releases spores into the air, raining fungal particles down onto other ants below, which starts the cycle again. A parasite that infects you, hijacks your brain, forces you to climb somewhere strategic, kills you, then grows out of your corpse. That is not science fiction. That is a Tuesday in the rainforest. What makes this even creepier is how precise the manipulation is. The fungus doesn't randomly control movement. It somehow guides the ant to a near-perfect location for reproduction. Scientists are still studying exactly how it does this. The leading theory is that it interferes with the insect's nervous system and muscles through chemical signals. Basically, biochemical mind control. If this sounds familiar, that's because it directly inspired the infected concept in The Last of Us. Yes, the terrifying fungus apocalypse in that franchise was inspired by something that already exists. Thankfully, this specific fungus is specialized for insects and doesn't infect humans. But still, the idea that a living organism can hijack another creature's behavior so completely is enough to make anyone uncomfortable. Nature did not need to invent zombies, and yet, it did.